Nginibekele nonke enibuka ivideo yethu namhlanje is about vertical projectile motion. Then question 3 la, then ngizokufayela ngenzansi kuma comments ukuthi for ukuthi research oludownload iphepha yonke information ozoyidinga. Then yeah, bathi a ball A is drawn vertically upward from a height h. This is ball A is drawn upward from the height. Should above the height bamsusa la above the height of h bamisa phezulu. Then with the speed of 15 meters per second ususwe la of 15 meters per second wayiswa phezulu bemphonsa. Then base bethi at the same instant ligama leli mele uhlezi ulinotha leli, it's the same instant. Lisho ukuthini? Ngesikhathi esifanayo futhi like lezi zinto beziya ngesikhathi esisodwa. Kuthe ngesikhathi lokho bemphonsa sazi kuzothi 1 ngo-B, kodwa no-B nawo lokho kushuthi baqala ngesikhathi esisodwa ukwenza lezi zinto. Bamphonsile lo waya phezulu base bethinike base bethi a second identical ball B is dropped from the same height as ball A as shown in the diagram below. Nangu ball B ngesikhathi esifanayo bathi bephonsa lo nalo futhi ngesikhathi ngaleso sikhathi azange belindi ukuthi athi ukuhamba lo bekwenze kanye lokho. Uball B bamdroppa is dropped. Usho ukuthi kade bembambile kanje then basebenza njani? Base bemdedela. Yes. Shuthi abazange bamnikeze initial velocity. Uyigenele initial velocity ngokuthi agijima ephansi. Initially bemile la ebanjiwe. Then mase bemdedela initial velocity yakhe beyu0 esasuka nje beyu0 ya increase ya phansi. Okay, naye bamdroppa above the height. Then as shown in the diagram, nangempela kuvelile ku diagram base bethi both balls undergo a free fall. Okay, amabhola amabili undergo a free fall. Okay, a free fall bachaza ukuthi mayithi undergo a free fall bachaza ukuthi leli bhola leli esithatha uball B simbheka yedwa. Uball B ezehamba eya phansi, iforce esuke iacta kuye i-gravitational force kuphela. Basho lokho ayikho enye force mayisahamba la emoyeni. No ball A kanjalo futhi naye since ezokhuphuka aye phansi. And eventually hits the ground. Bathi kusenjalo ke lamabhola agcine seshaya la phansi. U-A uhambile wafika wazoshaya la phansi, no B washaya la phansi. Kodwa obviously okay sisizothinike sisizothini njengamanje ama-balls kuthiwa kanjani? They are identical. Yabo, they are identical. Okay, ayafana, i-structure sawo siyafana yonke into ne-mass. Then base bethi explain the term of free fall. Yabona i-definition engimele uyazi oqale. U-free fall mina ngangibamba ngokuthi ke la since ku-fall. Yabo u-fall ukuthi like igama eli-verb echaza ukuthi kunokunyakaza lapho falling ngento enyakazayo i-doing weight. Shuthi i-definition yakhona uma ungayiphambanisi no-projectile izothi in-definition izothi is a motion because igama leli-verb is a motion izomsana negama elithi fall is a motion under which a gravitational force acts on your object. Yeah, iyona definition yakho le is supposed to be 2 marks la. 2 marks kanje. Then u-3.2 base bethi bathi calculate the time it takes ball A to return to the starting point 4 marks. Calculator isikhathi esithatha uball A ukuthi abuyele la kade ekhona ku-starting point sakhe. This is ball A. I-starting point sakhe ilesi yabo ba-represente ngoline ukuthi kade emela. Then masiba lesikhathi asithathileyo ukuthi asuke aye phezulu abuye azogcina la. I-starting point yakhe kuseyisona lezi noma kuthiwa i-position seyi-different sizohlala kule different position kodwa i-starting point se-along lo line lo. Babuza leyo nto leyo ke for 4 marks. Yabona, for only 4 marks. Ukuze sicalculate lokho sifuna thina i-time. Shuthi into esifunayo yile i-value of t. Then what we have so bhale sickness nakho. Yabona sibhale esinako thina. Then t asinayo. Yabona kumele kube u-t yedwa i-variable because isidinga yena. Yikuphi okunye khona Okay, for the first time or first step esiyenzayo senzani? Since sidila ngama-vector, i-velocity is a vector, lo uhamba nge-velocity upward, then ne-position nayo, i-displacement ayihambayo is a vector. So uzothini-ke? Then sozochoose upward and downward as positive. Question ngifuna sheshe siyiqede. Then choose upward as positive, downward as negative, uyabona? Upward you are positive. Okay, noma uthi direction of motion hlezi uyikhetha as positive, then shuthi sino initial velocity wethu nakuthu initially bamphonsile, yes. Shuthi sothini-ke? V initial wakhe aqale ngayo nje suka sibekwa. Shuthi kuzobani? 15 o-positive ngoba uya upward meters per second minus 1. Then ne-constant acceleration, the value of A yangithi le 9.8 i-magnitude. Magnitude is just the size yakhona. Iya kuphi yona? It's always acting downward angithi. Phela angithi awukazi wathi uyagxuma wena phezulu wabona sohamba sompela soya phezulu. Futhi kune-force lehlezi lo yithi ibuya phansi. Futhi leyo gravitational force kodwa inani ine-acceleration le ekhanda speed sakuthi ugijime phela mase ubuya phansi. Then sithi iwu-9.8 meters. This is acceleration minus 2 la, yabo? Iya kuphi? Downward. Downward simkhethe as negative, then zobo negative. Yabo? Thina yonke lento esiyibhekayo ilesi esayibonile. Si calculate from it takes ball A azo reach kuphi to the starting point. Starting point zakhe kuseyiso lesi. Okay, lana ngisebekwenzela usubona i-drawing kahle kahle lento le drawing yabo le bafune bayithi yabo bakwazi ukuthi badobulane ongemuva kwalo uzo-indicate ukuthi jikile azokubuya la into enjalo. Then sesibheka ukuthi shuthi lesikhathi sisicalculate-ayo ukusuka la sihambe sofika la, kodwa siyazi ukuthini ngoba usabuya endaweni eyodwa lo A uzohamba i-time mangabe ku-1 second ukusuka la ezila 1 second mayisebuya futhi la phela ngithi time symmetry lento le uhalf wesikhathi, then abuye futhi la hamba i-distance efanayo ilo i-distance efanayo emoyeni kusuka la uza la. Shuthi isikhathi esisuka la uza la siyafana futhi nesikhathi esisuka la uza la. Isikhathi-ke asiyona ilo i-vector. Shuthi masithole ukuthi 2 second la sobhala so 2 second plus 2 second wesibili emhambe emaya ngapha. Yini kanye eshodayo? Yini eshodayo? Singathi yini eshodayo? Iformula phela. Iformula ngithi i-final velocity, ake sithi i-final velocity yakhona ubani la? Mase siyibuzela nje i-final velocity ubani? I-final okay, i-velocity la 15 la ubani? This is the maximum height. Ifike yahamba kancane ukuthi wena ngithi ngeke uzoyibona leyo nto kodwa into eyenzekalayo ithi mayifika phezulu ime then bese iqala futhi yehle yaphansi. Shuthi v final masithatha le from la to la soba lesikhathi ngaleyo ndawo isikhathi sisitholayo so siphinda kabili noma simultiply ngo2 ukuze kuthole isikhathi sala nesala since sithe siyalingana. Shuthi v final wethu sithi ubani? 0 meters per second. Isuke seyimile lapha. Then sesiya kuformula enalezi zinto zonke including i-value of t. Yipi leyo formula? V final is equal to V initial plus A multiplied by T. Here is iyona le. Then V final is equal to V initial plus A change in time. V final wethu ubani? Sithatha from this point to this point. Then V final wethu ubani? 0. Isuke seyimile la. Then V initial wethu ubani? Awukwazi ukuthi wena u0 wakho positive noma negative. 0 nje i-number e-neutral, i-number phakathi nendawo. Ayina sign. V initial wethu ubani? U15 o-positive plus u-A wethu u-minus. Yabo lezi number 8 is negative. Njalo mobile ufuna uyihlonipha ngokuthi uyifake ama-bracket. Yabo cause singeze ukudisturb ama-sign amanye. Then 9.8 change in time. Take note ukuthi lesikhathi sisitholayo esokusuka kuphi. Le final velocity eyakuphi? Eyala. Initial velocity eyala. Shuthi le time esitholayo kusuka la siza la. Yabona? Sesizothini? Uzotranspose angithi. Uzotranspose 59 ngapha ngithi. Yabo? Utranspose 59 ngapha uzobona negative 15. Shuthi sisile nobani? Okay, just to make izinto zibe simple ukuthi ngikwenze senze ndawonye. Lana kuzobani? Negative 9.8t. Sivele sitranspose yena simlethe ngapha kuzoba ubani? 9.8 change in time. is equal to bani 15 uzosala yedwa ngale kwesi-equal sign. Isikhaleni sa-0 kuzofika lo azohlala. Then again kusalele bani 15 la. Then change in time wakho ubani-ke 15 divided by 9.8 because asemdinga ngithulo 9.8 should kumele sidivide ngayo sidinga lo kuphela. Enza sure ukuthi kusala nokudingayo should kuzobani 15 divided by 9.8 la sothi divide by 9.8 divide by 9.8 la divide by lo 1 multiply by lo ilento esele vele yodwa. Should isikhathi sethu 15 divided by 9.8 thola bani 75 over 49. Why ngisikhipha as a fraction? Ngoba sikafiki final answer. Then sengisinike isikhathi lesi kusuka kuphi kusuka la siza la. Then shothi lezi ikhathi lezi esokuqala lesi kusula uzala kodwa siyafana lesi la. Shothi zimbili ungasho ukuthi lesikhathi lesi esokusuka la uzela plus lesi sala okuyiso lesi shothi lesi ikhathi uzothi 75 over 49 plus 75 over 49 uthole leso sikhathi. Then noma ubuye uthi change in time is equal to 75 over 49 multiply by 2. Then mase uthole i-answer yakho ke multiply by 2. Yabo suyenza round off manje ngoba final answer is 3.06 seconds. It's round off as to decimal places because kushiwo kanjalo from lokho njani ekuqaleni kwephepha lapha kuma instructions. Iyona question ade yonke ade beyifuna le. U-A uthatha isikhathi esingaka esu-3.06 ukuza la ezofika la sesiqedile. Then sesiza kule question yethu ke ewu-3.3. Ithini question yethu ewu-3.3? Ithi calculator i-distance. Yabo i-distance lama question la vele la ngo-7 marks kanje. Njalo kuba calculate i-distance ngoba yazi ukuthi distance uzofuna ukuyiconfuse nani ne-displacement ugcine sowufaka ama-sign ekubeni lo eyiskala. Kulungile ka sicheck yenziwa kanjani. Bathi calculator the distance between ball A and ball B. Yabo sake sayenza ngithi question nje. Mungacheck amanye ama video ami khona le i-video nje lapha engayenza ngasekuqaleni. Then calculator i-distance ephakathi kwa A no B. Okay, ephakathi kwa A no B when ball A is at its maximum height. Yabo this is a keyword bese ngesikwazi ukubala le question engekho lo. Because bese ngesazi ukuthi i-distance between ball A and ball B bayifune kuphi. Mangabe uball A la no ball B la i-distance between them ayikho. Because basendaweni iqonde distance izokhandeka omunye mase ephezulu sithi kune distance ke sebeshiyana ngayo lana u0 esibasisela bese ngiyakubuza mhlawumbe ku multiple choice but what bakuvezile diagram bese what is the distance between ball A and ball B mhlawumbe wena bekufile inamba ethile. Okay, siyenza kanjani ke lento? Bathi distance between ball A and ball B when nanye keyword when mangabe kunjani when ubani usuke ku maximum height yilo ball A lo when ball A is at its maximum height. Yabo shithi uball A usuke seku maximum height no B na akamile phela uyahamba uyaphansi. Kusho ukuthini ke lokho? Okay, the distance I guess noma sidwebe lento sibheke ukuthi uball A mase maximum height uzobe sekuphi. Ngiyenze la roughly then uball A mase maximum height yakhe uzobe sekuphi esela esejika nango ball A maximum height phela la ejika khona. Uball A uzobe sela uball A lo uzobe sela yabo sihambile uhamba sizofuneka jike. Then kunani la kukanje lana u-age ngidweba roughly la i-ground yethu le. Bathi uball A usuke sekuphi esekwi maximum height asicalculate i-distance ephakathi kwa ball A and ball B. Mangabe ball A ku maximum height. Okay, angithi lezi zinto since iqala muva lo yaphezulu lo usuke yaphansi. Futhi uball B since lo esakhuphuka A yale uball B naye uyahamba ayephansi. Yabona? Okay, wafuna ukunotheka ukuthi uma ufuna ukuthola kahle kahle ukuthi ukuze ucalculate i-distance between uball A and ball B, uyazi ukuthi u-B sesukile la, seyingaphi seyaphansi, yabona, sebheke phansi ulokhu njani uball B, kodwa wazi ukuthi how far esephansi, seyila leli point noma seyila, yayibona leyo nto. Kumele uthole lokho-ke, ukuthola kanjani lokho? Shuthi uma suthole lokho, kuzoba simple kanjani ukuthi uthole i-distance between them. Ake sithi ula ubani uball B wethu, uball A ula, mase kuthiwa uyayicalculate-ke i-distance abayifunayo uzoyicalculate kanjani-ke siyi-check. Angithi uyazi ukuthi lo ngamcalculate displacement distance ayithathile ukusuka la eze la. Shuthi ungayicalculate leyo value wena, angithi into enjalo. Shuthi uzobe sowunayo le piece. Sekushoda yiphi i-piece? Lena engapha uzo-add okubili because it's a displacement, akunayo i-magnitude, a positive or two number. Okay, shuthi nalo mase umtholile ukuthi uhambe i-distance enganani yala, naye kumele umcalculate ukuthi kusuka la eza la uhambe i-displacement enganani, mase uyawa-add. Shuthi kokuqala kumele sikuthola ukuthi u-B sekuphi, khona kuzokwazi ukuthi sibe ne-reference point yokubona ukuthi this is between this and this. Sekuthola kanjani-ke lokho? Ukuthola ngokuthi u-understand ukuthi uball B, uball A, since sebekutshelile ukuthi ukwi-maximum height, uball A uma ihamba la, lapha phezulu seku-maximum height, uball B yena usuke sihambe, okay, uma ihamba la, ihambe mhlawumbe 2 second, uball A umthatha u-A 2 second ukusuka la uze la, umthathe only 2 second. U-B yena naye kumele ahambe isikhathi esifanayo because lezi zinto angithi sifuna lapho sizoma khona kanye leyo point lapho khona sesicalculate u-A esela no-B esekuleyo point. U-A uma esuka la eza la for 2 second, no-B naye uzohamba for 2 second. Kodwa kumele simstophe naye kubani ku-2 second uhambo A because kumele ame u-B u-A la, ame u-A la maximum height, no-B ame kuleyo height asuke kuyo. Kodwa isikhathi sisuke sebesihambile siyalingana, yabona. Sesizotholani-ke thina? Shuthi into kumele sithole first ukuqala yini isikhathi esithathwe yilo ukuza la, yasibona. Mase sisitholile siyazi ukuthi senzani, sobheka ukuthi u-B yena uhambe ngana i-distance enganani-ke ngaleso sikhathi, yabona. Shuthi isikhathi sihambe u-A eza ku-maximum height isiphi? Sisibalile angithi la, sithe yilesi, ukusuka la uza la ilesi. Sithi lo multiply by 2 yiso sonke. Shuthi isikhathi ake sisenze kanje, ubani change in time is equal to 75. Okay, senze makuba ama-decimal 75/49, 1,53 1,53 ethi nge-round of it 3 decimal places khona izoba mhlambe accurate kancane. Yeah, because sisikavi final answer ngithi senza sure ukuthi sithola i-value e-right. Yeah, isikhathi esimthatha u-A from la ezi-maximum height, simthathe isikhathi esingaka ku-maximum height, isikhathi lesabo, isikhathi sakhe lesimthatha ukuza la uyama la, then no-B naye kumele ahambe leso sikhathi esingaka uyaphansi ame leyo ndawo azoma kuyo. Shuthi kumele sithole lokho ukuthi uhambe i-distance engakanani, yabona. U-B sewuzothi ake ngi-check-e u-B manje ukuthi u-B kwenzakalani ngaye. U-initial yakhe velocity yakhe ubani, siyazi isikhathi uhambe lesi naye, yabona. Lapho sesizothola khona la iseme khona, funa ezime lezi zinto khona uzokwazi ukuthi distance between them and A, between A and B. Initial wakhe ubani, 2 B is dropped, bengenayo velocity, bavele bathi bamdedele bambambe kanje u-0 angithi initial, i-final sekuzoba enye la igainile seyile phansi, yabo into enjalo. Initial wakhe u-0 meters per second. Acceleration yini i-gravitational acceleration yakhe ubani, iya downward acceleration njalo iya downward. Shuthi ngoba yaphansi nje uphulwa yini downward acceleration, gravitational force. Acceleration yethu iubani value iu-9.8 meters per second minus 2. So downward as positive as negative angithi, then sithi minus angithi, uyabona. Sesithi isikhathi asihambile change in time asihambile ukuze khona kuzokwazi ukuthi lo uzohamba lesikhathi hambe la then sesizokwazi ukuthi si-reference i-distance ukuthi iqala la siya phansi nalokho ufuna hamba isikhathi esingako phela because lezi zinto uqale ngokufana indawo uma isuka la then sizobheka ukuthi isikhathi esihambile u-B ngizocalculate distance kumele sifane nesample A yeah then zobani 1,531 yilo 31 second ngiround offile la uzobona uma wenza calculator nawo ngiround offile hayi ngoba i-answer beyimbe kanje ile sikhathi esihambile u-B ukuze somthola ukuthi sekuphi-ke u-A mangabe esekwi maximum height hope you understand yini ke se-calculator thina sifuna distance between them angithi sesizobala distance yakhe ukuthi ubani distance yakhe yayizwa ngithi leyo nto lungileke sesizocalculate distance ukuthi uhambe engakanani uqale kuphi uqale la uze some point mangabe efike la i-distance yakhe iwu2 meters futhi siyazi iphathi la u2 meters ngoba kufuna i-distance ephakathi kwabo u2 meters lo 2 meters u2 meters u2 meters u2 meters i-region le from la u2 meters from la 2 meters from la 2 meters ukuthi nje just useceleni abakwazi ukuthi bakubeke iphathi engale ngemuva khona uzobona ukuthi zikuline owodwa kulungileke kodwa sisocalculate distance from la u-B thatha nje ukuthi usela manje from la esuke khona to la mangabe sithola 2 meters 2 meters space calculate yabani ukuze iphelele u-A ngithatha nje usela because it's maximum height calculate the distance from la to la displacement mase senza njani le displacement plus the displacement you are add this is the distance that is between them according to equation sorry futhi sisothini la yipi formula ezosinikeza ubani asiyazi velocity ka B finally asiyazi futhi yipi formula ezosinikeza change in y because still ange displacement along the y axis change in y yipi efaka v initial ifaka change in time yayizwa yathi v initial time futhi let's change in y is equal to v initial times change in time plus 1/2 a change in time all squared let's squared ngomkhohlo mase usubstitute then so substitute akhe v initial wakhe ubani 0 then so 0 wena substitute akhe ngoba phela ngithi udinga mama kwena ngoba bazokubuza ukuthi ongafaka lutho la kodwa ngithi usuyafaka la thini 1/2 minus 9.8 you substitute yonke lento leya then 1.531 all squared so utholani i-distance ihamba u-B ayihambile nje esuka la eza la angithi lo A uhamba isikhathi esuka la waza la wama la nalo kumele umthole ukuthi ihamba isikhathi kanani funa afika ame naye futhi ngaleso sikhathi khona uzothola i-distance that is between them ngaleso sikhathi leso basihambile bobabili so uthini lo seku0 wonke so uthini beya downward vele displacement yini i-vector quantity utanado as negative usimkhethe as negative futhi kumele ibe negative answer yethu ya positive ke ayike futhi si-wrong 1/2 minus 9.8 then 1.531 all squared yabo ngisubstitute wonke lento la sengithola bani u-minus 11.4854 meters angayi round off ukuthi ilo ibe into decimal spaces because ngisangithi ngiseyini ngisaqhubeka ngave final answer i-displacement ekhava ubani u-B then iubani 11.4854 awuyishiki negative the negative indicates direction wena suyasho ukuthi still ngani you are dealing with the vectors i-vector length iyabe iya kuphi downward this is distance u-A behambe ubani yeah singenza asazi vele u-H ubani okay kulungile mhlawumbe ake sithi ubani wethu u-A sela then so to B sela this is B uya kuphi uya downward kodwa kwamanje sathe nje ukuthi bamile lana sihambe distance from this point up to this point uhambe bani 11.4854 from that point la esuka khona up to that point asekulo manje 11. 4 meters downward displacement. Okay, kulungile. Umunye uzoyibuza ukuthi why isicalculate i-displacement singacalculate i-distance, because kufuna i-distance. Ngizokuchazela ekugcineni. Sesiza kwi-distance kabani manje? I-displacement ekhavo eyeza la phezulu. Nayo-ke futhi ngicela kuzoba lula. Kuzoba lula why ngithi kuzoba lula. U-A uve-initial wakhe u-A ukhona. Uve-final ukhona. Shuthini singenza kanjani? Sothi nayo iformula yazi mabili amafomula angasebenza la. V-final squared is equal to V-initial squared plus 2A change in Y. Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi kanje. Yeah, ikanje. Then sithathele from that point to this point. Sifuna uhambe i-distance engakanani angithi yayizwa. Shuthi i-displacement distance final u0, maximum height. Bashilo bathi akabe ku-maximum height. Initial ubani 15 squared positive plus 2 nangu lo esimfunayo nangu. Ya substitute ama-value lawa then kumele abe njani change in wethu. Le displacement ikhava kuyiwaphi? Kuyiwa phezulu. Kade i-increase kuyiwa phezulu beyu-0 la ingahambi lutho. Ya increase bekuyiwa phezulu futhi bekuse-upward then kumele ibe njani? Positive. So negative ke kumele ucheckisise. So it's a change in Y. Kodwa sekuyi-math lesi siyenza la. Sengizothini mina? Because ngiyabo uzotranspose lo 59 ngale. Mase umtransposile udivide ngale number. Shothi i-answer yethu just ukuthi senze izinto zibe simple. 15 squared. Ngimenza ba positive ngabo bomo. Uzobona masubala kuzophuma i-answer efana neyami 2 times 9.8. Yabo? Mele ibe njani? Afuna ukufana nje kodwa kunankinga akeke. Noma ngafuna ukufana vena ama-objects anjani ayafana. 11.47996 meters upward. Yabo? Indena is a displacement. Yes, the magnitude and direction. Then bafuneni bona i-distance. Understand ukuthi yini i-distance. I-distance in simpler terms is just the magnitude of displacement. Kusho ukuthini lokho ngesiZulu mhlambe? Kusho ukuthi i-distance ifana nani ne-magnitude nale number le kuphela. I-direction inga-indicate ukuthi besiya right noma besiya left. Iyona distance ke leyo. Yabona? Kusho ukuthi konke kwa-displacement ukuthi seyinama direction nanani. Sekuyaphuma upward no downward. Kusele inamba. Kusho distance ikhavo ubani u-B eza la. Eyashintsha ibe ubani 11.4854 meters. Yabona? Yes, leyo nto. Meters. Then yeah, eya downward. I-distance kodwa inayo yini i-direction i-distance. Kunjalo. Then ile plus iphi plus distance kanje lo eyala. Awusawabala ama sign because distance ayinayo ini, it's just a scalar. Inani has a magnitude only. Obvious ama units vele mele bekhona. Futhi a displacement ke ithini? U-d between them. Sela sengikhohle uku-indicator ukuthi lo A uhambe bani ukusuka la eza la. Ubani 11.4796 from this point up to this point. I-distance phakathi kwabe iphiki ukusuka la uza la okulingana nani nalo distance le plus nalo distance. Sekungama distance manje because sikhuluma ngawo manje as ama distance. Siya add so ukuthi d is equal to 11.4976 yabo plus yipi lena enye 11.4854. So ya add ungabhala amamitha uma uthanda lapha nje akubaleki uzobhala ku final answer 11.4976 plus 11.4854. Hey, ngisenza kahle 4854. Okay, kodwa sengcorrect ama lokho njani esangafana ama ngiphathe calculator wrong. Yeah, ngithola le 22.98. 22.98 meters. Akuna direction la, just the distance that is between them. Ubude bendawo ephakathi kwabo, ubude bakhona bangangobani 22.98 meters. Yeah, bekuyilokhu ngale question le. Then sengizokwenza like enye i-video elandela la. It's about usketcha i-graph yale malokhunjana lama diagram o2. So I upload after this lokhunjana, this video.